back to another Sentry equipment video. I'm Angelo D'Ambrosia, and today we're going to be talking about how to disassemble and reassemble our CS600 model. So let's get started. So in the cleaning process, at this point you would already have drained all your product and ran some water through it, so the product is now coming out water, not ice cream. At this point we're going to disassemble. So the first thing we want to do is our push rod here. This is also a safety switch. Without this push rod, the machine does not run. So that simply pushes up and pulls out just like that. Then we're going to come over to our head. You have two knobs on the head, and we want to do this evenly. So you loosen this, and when the seal is broken, so to speak, you could just take off the knobs. Okay. After that, you can pull your handle down, and remember we already emptied this, so there's nothing in it. And we can just wiggle and pull. Okay. Now our beater shaft's in here, so you got to remember the blades are not put on there; they're just placed there. So what I mean by that is that you got to hold the blade so it doesn't fall off. Okay, so that's our blades and our beater shaft and our breaker bar. Sometimes you'll get this where the shaft seal is doing its job so well it's suctioned to the back, so we have to grab that off there. And that's our shaft seal. We remove the drip tray, the hopper lid, and our carb tube. Also in these gravity models, there's this little white piece here. This is what measures the mix, goes up and down as the mix gets lower in the hopper, which then when it gets too low, it will indicate that the mix is out, and then it will light up right here. So that is how you disassemble the CS600. At this point, you would just give this a surface clean, just wash it, make sure there's no mix or any Petrogel left in there. So now we're going to go to reassemble. Let me just get all this apart and then we can. This shirt make me look fat?
I'm sorry?
This shirt make me look fat?
No, it's good, man. Look healthy.
Thanks.
Okay, we're all ready.
All right.